Here I have DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So first of all, you just have to open settings, then go to the storage section, then go to the SD card, then tap here, go to the storage settings, and just tap format, and then confirm it by tapping format SD card, and after a few seconds your SD card will be formatted. And where is my SD card? I guess it's formatted here, like right now. Now you have to set up it after it's formatted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.